Welcome to Cine Tech. Today, we're reviewing the MOVA N1 window cleaning robot, a compact device designed for automated window maintenance. It features a dual spray system and intelligent path planning, aiming to simplify window cleaning for homeowners. With its 8,000 PA suction and 12-level safety, it promises convenience. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's explore how the MOVA N1 performs in practical, real-world window cleaning scenarios. The N1 excels at routine window cleaning tasks, effectively reducing the manual effort required for spotless glass. Operating the MOVA N1 is straightforward, thanks to its one-button start and user-friendly app, which simplifies control. This robot is practical for many window sizes, adeptly handling narrow panes and those tricky, hard-to-reach spots. Consistent performance depends on proper setup and ensuring cleaning pads are always fresh for streak-free results. The MOVA N1 demonstrates credible performance and practical features when used under the right operating conditions, offering a generally positive user experience. Next, we evaluate if the MOVA N1 offers good value compared to its market position. The N1 offers a comprehensive feature set for its cost, including efficient dual spray and versatile cleaning modes. MOVA demonstrates a strong commitment to robust product development and integrating crucial safety features into their designs. It faces significant competition from other robotic cleaners, many of which have more established market presence. The N1 becomes particularly appealing when offered at a discount, significantly boosting its competitive advantage. The MOVA N1's value proposition strengthens considerably when it's available with a meaningful discount compared to its established competitors. Understanding potential issues is key, so let's look at the main buyer risks. The MOVA N1 features robust construction and integrates safety mechanisms designed for secure and reliable operation. While initial evidence suggests good reliability, comprehensive long-term data for this product is still somewhat limited. Brand support and warranty provisions are acceptable, though they do not currently stand out as industry-leading. The application functionality and device compatibility are generally stable, offering an effective and reliable user experience. While buyer risk is generally lower due to integrated safety, limited long-term and independent evidence means careful consideration is always advised. The MOVA N1 offers a credible option for automated window cleaning, especially for large, smooth windows that need regular maintenance. Its useful spray and safety features are distinct advantages, but buyers should be prepared for proper operating conditions and supervision. While it represents a solid choice in its category, those seeking extensive independent validation or mature support might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's a worthwhile consideration for its specific niche.